Welcome to Arlo Plumbing and Heating. Today we're going to teach you how to top up the pressure on an ideal boiler. So, in front of me we have an ideal boiler which currently is at 2 bar pressure. Now the boiler has been running. When the boiler is switched off and the boiler is cold, we want it to be around about 1 to 1.5 bar. Now to top the pressure up, we will need to open this blue valve here towards you, and then the blue valve, the second pipe from the right hand side, in line with the pipe, and then shut that one off when we're up to 1.5 bar, and then isolate the other one again. So that is how you top up the pressure. Now, reasons for wanting to top the pressure up: if you've bled a radiator, then obviously you've let pressure out of the system, or you have leaks, then that's when you need to top the pressure up. If you have any problems, you want to contact us, just feel free anytime. Thank you.